you know, this province comes in Atlantic Canada region. So benefit of studying in any Atlantic Canada province is that you can get your permanent residency within 6 months if you get offer letter from AIPP employer or you have studied in Atlantic Canada institution, Atlantic Canada region institution. Temperature. Most of the Indian students always fear.
Excuse me, Anshul.
Yeah.
Anshul, excuse me, I'm sorry to interrupt you. The last part you said about Nova Scotia was having some issues. Could you please repeat that? Nova Scotia Atlantic region, that part was having the sound issues.
I
request you to repeat it.
Yeah, so the province Nova Scotia is, popular for Atlantic Canada Irrigation Program, as this province comes in Atlantic Canada region. In Atlantic Canada region, there are 5 provinces: Nova Scotia, New Prince Edward Island, Newfoundland, and 2 more. So the thing is, a best part of studying in this province is that student will be getting PR within 6 months. Let's say, if I take the example of Acadia, we are offering 4-year undergraduate degree program. So if students complete 4-year undergraduate degree, then within 6 months, he can get the PR. There is no need to wait for 5 years. Rest, I will say that if you will get educated from other province institution like Ontario, British Columbia, Quebec, so hopefully it will take 2 or more than 2 years to get the PR. That's the point I was explaining. I hope this is okay. Now, sorry. Now I will focus on the temperature part, because most of the Indian students fear that Canada is a very icy country, very cold country. But we say that no, we are not. This province is not enough cold. We face a temperature from -8 to +19 during the year. In winter season, we have -8 degree temperature, and during the other session we have temperature of till up to +18. This why so? This is so because we are covered by sea. You can see our big border, 7,000-kilometer border, which touches the ocean. That's why our temperature does not don't go in much minus. This temperature is very easy to live up over there. Popular discipline, like where you can make your career. So I will say that business field, engineering, environmental science, and computers, education, politics, sociology, and BBA, business administration. So these are the popular disciplines where you can make your career. I will also say that yearly package. I will highlight this point. So if you complete education and you get job in these fields, so you will be getting chance to earn minimum 55,000 Canadian dollar to till up to 1,10,000 Canadian dollar. This can be your earning yearly. So now the thing is, economical point of view, I would like to explain, because in recent news, I have gone through the digital media and just knew that Canadian government is investing lots of economy on this province. So as a result, you will be finding number of job prospects in this area. So next coming 5 to 10 years will be very bright for Nova Scotia province. In the end of this province introduction, I will say that here visa ratio is very high, your visa official rate is very less, and easy PR within 6 months. So these are certain benefits to study in Nova Scotia. Some nearby locations, I will say that we have peaks. We are very popular for high tides. You can enjoy the beaches in evening. You can enjoy water sports. We are very popular for seafoods, and it's a peak of Valley of Annapolis. So all these events or outings you can enjoy in the evening. Halifax is a province capital as well as international airport. Only at a distance of 90 kilometers, and same the popular areas are business, popular areas where number of jobs are available and will be available in future. So these are business, computer engineering, mining engineering, environmental science, education, sociology, politics, and community development. These are the popular areas. Here in Halifax, you will find good number of Indian community students in various institutions. So the thing is, Halifax and nearby area are very popular, is the house of top Canadian universities, and Acadia is one among of them. A signboard, like because I will highlight some natural environment of Wolfville and Acadia. So when you travel from airport to Acadia campus on the superway, on the both side of superways, Canada is popular for superway. In India, you will find the expressways, but in Canada, you will find superways. So on the both side of superways, you will find, greeneries, lot of gardens, and everything is available where you will find the atmosphere very greeny, and you will enjoy it. You will enjoy the clean air. It's a, very less population over there, and you can enjoy the farm food also. Wolfville lifestyle, which kind of life you will be getting in Wolfville. So you everything which is required by any international student, like shopping malls, cafes, street walks, parks, trails, everything is available. You can enjoy coffee shops. You can participate in the events. You can participate in the wherever you want to be in the coming in these areas. So Wolfville is a place of where the population is 4,500. Here the population is 4,500, and I have shown the street map, where a lot of parks, trails are located. It's not a big, city, but the area is 7.3 square kilometers. So 8 plus parks, 15 plus trails are there. So everything which is required by any international student is available here. Now I'm going to highlight about Acadia. With a strength of 3,500, we are #1 in Nova Scotia, and this strength proves us that we have our undergraduate programs are very popular among Indian students. Only at a distance of 500 meters, students from 80 plus countries, they come to Acadia for higher studies. And in the left-hand side, you can see the Acadia street map. All the buildings, everything is located nearby. So we have the average class size of 28. This is our average class size, and our student professor ratio is 14:1. So on every 14 students, we have single professor. We believes in giving quality to students. We do not have big class sizes. We offer scholarships. We offer co-op programs. We offer honors options. We offer major options. So say all the things I'm going to cover in next slides. Here I'm going to tell you about ranking and reputation. Acadia is the very oldest university in Canada. So we are the 7th oldest university in Canada, as we established long time back, and we have very ancient history. So because of our age and because of Maclean Guide 2001 surveys, as per the Maclean Guide surveys, we are #1 in Nova Scotia for undergraduate degree programs, and we exist in top 5 in Canada for undergraduate programs. So this is our ranking. Our comparison is done with many top university of Canada, like University of Waterloo, University of Toronto, University of Winnipeg. So this is the ranking of the Acadia University. Here at Acadia, we promise you that we'll be giving you high quality of education from top ranking university at a very affordable cost. A drone pic of Acadia, which you will find very beautiful. On the back side, you will see the blue ocean, Bay of Fundy, and at this mud area, lots of sports activities are conducted. Enough amount of parking space, a lot of greeneries, and big campus you can see over here. Now focusing on the programs, because ultimately every student is coming to Acadia for programs. So we have various kind of programs. I'm telling you which kind of programs we are offering to our students. So because September 2020 is the next intake, so our most of the programs are co-op program. We offer program honors based, like thesis or research oriented programs we offer, and we are very popular. Acadia is very popular for flexibility in degree options. I will say any student who has gone to Acadia for business, and later on if he wants to specialize in computers, that is again possible with 2 majors. In fact, similarly, we encourage our students to adopt flexible degree options, so that they will not be specialized only in single field, they will be specialized in multiple fields. So that is called majors. We offer students to choose number of majors. Programs at Acadia have been categorized into various departments, and these departments have been categorized into 3 faculties. So at Acadia University, we have 3 main faculties. Arts is the first, and I'm going to take it. In arts, we have Canadian studies only for Canada and US students. It's for domestic students only. I'm going to take history and classic. Students who want to be the part of history, they want to know more about history or 1,000-year back history of Earth, history of pyramids, so they can be the part of this. Best thing of this course is 4-year undergraduate degree program is offered with co-op option, like paid internship will be there in the end of the program. We have economics with us. So at economics, we are giving specialization to students. We are giving option to students getting specialized in with the help of business, computer, and mathematics. So at economics, we have 2 kind of degrees: BA in economics and BSc in economics. So BA in economics is a simple economics degree program, and with BSc in economics, we have 3 kind of specialization like business, computer, and mathematics. At Acadia, we also offer, languages courses like English, French, German, and Spanish. These, language degree offers, encourage any student to how to speak and how to write particular these languages. Environmental and Sustainable Studies, old department established in 1995, and with the research station. This department also has a research station where student will be, focusing on plotting-based study of environment, various factors related to environment like global warming, rising sea levels, and other environment-related issues. So, such kind of studies is covered in a very environmental and sustainable studies. With the research station, it's a very good field in Nova Scotia to make a career. Apart from this, we have sociology, we have philosophy, and we have psychology. So sociology, I'm going to take. Sociology as a field where a student can make a career as a teacher in Nova Scotia, and he can make a career as an international affair, which is a very demandable field. In fact, later on, after having a bachelor degree in sociology, this course can be leaded to a course in law. Psychology, it's a psychology. We are offering BSc in psychology with co-op option. Like student can co-op option is again available here. Which kind of study is covered? Like study of neuropathy, neurosciences, that is covered here. Various statistical techniques are used, modeling techniques are used. So maths is a requirement for this course. Then we have theater. So students who want to learn about music and theater, so they can be the part of this degree, 4-year degree program. Now I'm going to take, next department, that is next faculty, sorry, pure and applied sciences. We have biology, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. These are the 4 main pillars of pure and applied sciences. Best part of studying biology, chemistry, physics, and mathematics is this: we have state-of-the-art laboratories at Acadia. Separate offices, professors are available, very close interaction between the student and professor. So the students who want to learn, who want to study about these programs, these departments, they can come, they are encouraged to apply here. Applied computer sciences and computer sciences. So computer sciences we have started this year. We have, applied computer sciences degree that we are offering at this department is BACS, Bachelor of Applied Computer Sciences. And in computer sciences, we are offering degree of BCS, Bachelor of Computer Sciences, with 6 specialization like cyber security, network security, and mobile application development, game development, software development, and data analytics. So these are the certain areas of computer sciences. Economics, very popular field. I explained earlier. Engineering also we are offering. So in engineering, like kindly note, for September 2020 intake, engineering programs are going to be held only at Acadia campus. So we have 7 branches of engineering courses. We have environmental and geosciences. Geoscience is the study of rocks. So students who want to be a geologist, they are encouraged to apply. Apart from this, we have, I think I have covered everything here. Now I'm taking you to the next slide, that is your professional studies. So professional studies is the third faculty at Acadia, offering is degree in BBA. BBA, which comes with the many specialization. We have 3 to 4 specialization, like financial accounting, business administration, employment relation, international relation, marketing. So 5 to 6 disciplines are there for BBA. These programs comes with the co-op option. Community development, very popular field in Nova Scotia to make career. Community development co-op degree is available at community development under 4-year undergraduate, and specializations are social activism, outdoor adventure, and recreation management, and community wellness. So recreation management is a part of students who want to make their career in event management. They can be the part of. They can choose this field as a specialization. Social activism, like a social service worker, or international relation professional. Here these are the best career can be. Community wellness, this is some legal professional. After covering this course, the student will be moving, I mean, so legal points to be explained in front of government for putting rights of any community which is available in Canada. Next, outdoor and adventure education. So it's a very popular field because Canada is a tourist country. So such professionals are high in demand. Health and science options. We are offering these courses, but kindly note, to opt these courses, a person should be a graduate must. So only in Canada the education system, these medical courses are only available after graduation, not before graduation. So these courses can be taken as a reference, which any student can join after having graduation from Acadia University or from any other institution. Next, I'm going to take like and hope all this. So requirement is very clear, and now I will point out, because we whole the world is suffering of COVID-19 pandemic. So we have shown lots of flexibility in accepting applications. That's why we are relaxed with English requirement. So I'm going to explain how it is. All students who have done their 12th from any state education board, Maharashtra State Education Board, or any state education board, they should be having 70% marks. If they do not have 70% marks, with their predicted score, they can apply in Acadia University. This is the for state education board students. All students who are from CBSE or ICSE background, they must be having 60% marks, or their results are awaited. In that case, they can apply on predicted score basis for conditional offer letter. Same thing is applicable for state education board also. The only difference is in CBSE or ICSE we require 60% mark, and in state education board we require 70% marks. This is the difference. Now I'm going to highlight students like gap. Gap is a main point. Some students say that we have done 12th in this year, we have done diploma after 12th, we have done 3-year diploma after 10th. In that case, we say that a student who have done 2-year diploma or 3-year diploma after 10th or 12th, they also can be considered to apply at Acadia. We encourage them to apply at Acadia. If their results are awaited, so on the basis of their predicted score, we will consider them for conditional offer letter. In terms of English requirement, I will say that students who have their arts score with them, they can apply. But the thing is, for this, we require minimum 6.5 overall and no band less than 6.0. So this is a minimum English requirement. Apart from this, again, there is one point. Let's say a student who has 5.5 in single module, and they think after retaking of IELTS, they can make their score 6.5 overall and no pen less than 6.0. They can also apply for conditional offer letter, but they need to mention that they are going to retake IELTS score. And after getting conditional offer letter, they have to produce their revised IELTS certificate. We are accepting PTE, we are accepting TOEFL. So PTE score that we are expecting is 60, and at TOEFL we require 90 is the score that we require. Because you will most of the students will say that the COVID-19, because of COVID-19, IELTS coaching was off. So the students with Duolingo score, we encourage them to apply. But the thing is, again, they have to produce their IELTS score at the time of visa filing. I will highlight some points related to maths. Most of the students do not have maths at their 10+2 level, 10+2 standard, 12 standard. In that case, I will say that for these students, we have very good program with it's a combination of business and computer. In this program, the maths is not requirement. You will only see your 10th marks of mathematics, and you are encouraged to apply at this program. Students who do not have mathematics in other science related subjects, like students who do not have mathematics at 10+2, they can study mathematics at Acadia University also. This program, this duration is of 3 to 4 weeks, and some extra amount they have to pay. That's all from general academic guidelines. Further, if you have any question, please note it down. I will address it at the end of the session. Now I'm going to explain about the tuition fees. It's a most of the student interested to know what is the tuition fee. Is it high or low? So I will say that most of the university in Canada are charging very high tuition fee for undergraduate degree programs. Here at Acadia, we charge only 19,935 Canadian dollar. This fee includes everything. Although the base tuition fee is 17,884, and apart from this, we have technology fee, athletic fee, and ASU health plan, dental plan, Acadia access fee. But kindly note these fees to be applicable by the university. It's a right of the university whether they have to apply this or not. But the base tuition fee is this. So approximately it will go around $1,000 or $1,500 extra apart from this base tuition fee. So approximately it will be 19,500 or 19,935. Residence options we also offer. So student can have their residence options at 7,100. This is the payment for single room. This is the charge for single room, and for double room the charges are 6,046 Canadian dollar. We also offer 7 days meal plan at the cost of 4,593, and it can be customized by the student. Scholarship. I told you this is one of the USP of scholarship. So we are offering scholarship to students, but for this 80% is a minimum requirement of student, and we offer scholarship minimum 2,000 to 65,000 Canadian dollar. Although the deadline for this scholarship has gone, but if any student who has 80% marks and they think they can get the scholarship, please apply as soon as possible. We'll give you offer letter within 7 to 10 days. Living cost is very less at Wolfville, apart from in comparison to other popular cities in Canada. And if you rent any apartment in downtown Wolfville area, then living cost will be more or less. Counseling and accessibility fee. So here, all students who face some problems related to classroom understanding, dealing with international students living in residence. So for this, we have Acadia Counseling Cell, and in fact, students can share their issues, their problems with this counseling cell. It will be immediately resolved by the officers who are specially appointed in this department. Students with physical disability, like they have some physical challenge. In that case, these students are always welcomed by Acadia. We have very good setup for them. We provide, wheelchairs, we provide physiotherapy exercises, and all possible support that we can give, we will give to students. But the thing is, for this, these students should send clearly scanned document at this email address. The document should be clearly updated to Acadia. Co-op options, Acadia, great, get employed. It's a very important point, and you should understand this. So in the final year, depends on the program, co-op term can be of one co-op term, it can be one co-op term or two co-op term. So if you are serving in a co-op term, you'll be getting internship with the help of your professors, and your professor, and these professors suggest you to go in the industry and work as an intern with the help of alumni section. So here, three pillars are main: professors, students who are understudy, and the alumni section. Alumni sections peoples are those people who have been the ex-student of professor, and with this student help understudying students get the paid internships. So here you can earn up to 10,000 Canadian dollar in 6 months. So you can imagine it's a big financial aid to any student. Apart from this, we are also offering up to 1 year of professional experience, depends on your co-op term. If there are two co-op terms, you'll be getting of 1 year professional work experience. If it is 6 months, then you'll be getting 6 months co-op term. One more point I will highlight, uh, most of the institutions in Canada, they are offering bachelor degree programs, 4-year degree program. But what happens over there is their co-op duration will be counted extra. After 4 years of study, then the co-op duration, 1 year co-op duration will be counted extra. So degree will be completed in 5 years. But at Acadia, we assure you your undergraduate degree will be completed in 4 years with 1 year of work experience and serving the co-op term. So this is the best that we are offering to Indian students. Exchange programs, like you have any relative in other country and you want to transfer over there, you want to exchange, get exchange. So that is possible from third year onwards. You can get exchange to other institutions, partnering institutions at Acadia in various countries. Similarly, this can happen vice versa. If you want to come to Acadia from third year onwards, that is again possible. Residence options, 11 kind of residence options are available. You can join. Here, dining hall, classrooms, and residence options are very close to each other. You can easily commute within 3 to 5 minutes. We have very good setup of dining hall. Indian food is available. Here the chefs are from 5-star background, and we regularly monitor the quality of food, which kind of food we are serving to students. So for on these steps, we have special officers who regularly check the quality. This is not the only dining hall at Acadia. We have 3 to 4 dining halls with multiple, coffee shops at various locations at Acadia, because Acadia campus, because we have very big campus, 250-acre campus. So after all this, so far we have covered the program. So far we have covered the scholarships. So far we have covered residence, food. Now recreation and getting enrolled is very important. It's a part of study. So students should be should be the part of any community. Community can be like a sports committee. It can be any committee, singing committee, gymnastic committee. So he or she can be the part of this. Here on the screen, you can see various pics. Students are enjoying various communities. Acadia has Nova Scotia's Path Athletic team. These teams performs at Nova Scotia level, and they win prizes also. Uh, Campus tours can be booked by writing on this email address, and we have direct flights available from Delhi and Mumbai to Halifax, and even trains are available, but it is travel duration is ranging from 10 to 12 hours from Montreal only. If you want to travel from Toronto to Halifax, so it will last around 26 to 30 hours. We documents that we require if you find any program suitable at Acadia for you. So we require your predictor score if your results are awaited. If you have your results with you can send clearly scanned documents of 10+2, and your English code and your passport, everything. For further details, you can contact to amstudy.team. They will guide you in this way. Uh, we are accepting applications for September 2020 intake, and our social community links here you will find. These are our social community links, which you can find more on about Acadia. In fact, our campus tours videos are available on Google. When you will type on Google Acadia University, you will find good videos to see the campus, how big it is. So that is all about me. Now, question and answer session. Uh, I will ask Aita ma'am or Mr. Rajesh to take the student's question, please.
Yes, yes. So nice of you, Mr. Anshul. Nicely explained in short, because I think so it can become a longer session also. I mean, explaining about the 250 acres campus of Acadia. So that is a really huge one, big one. So all the students, all the participants, please put your questions in the chat box. Meanwhile, Ashwati, please conduct the polls. After that, Amita ma'am will give a short introduction of our company, our counseling, our services. And then immediately the question and answers will be taken up. And I have already a few questions in the chat box, Mr. Anshul. So I will highlight that. I will ask you all the questions after Amita ma'am's finished with the...
Mr. Rajesh, can you wrap up it within 15 minutes, please?
Yeah, sure. Timing is running out. Ashwati, please conduct the polls fast.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. So, hello, friends.
Amita ma'am, let the polls be conducted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have started the poll. So kindly please rate the poll. Thank you so much.
All of you, please vote for the polls. Actually, the questions are very simple. Actually, we want you to, we want your affirmations that what we should conduct next, which country you are interested more, which courses do you want to concentrate on, so that our next webinar will come in that direction. Of course, this is right from the horse's mouth. This is from the university representative of Canada, Acadia University. So this is a fantastic opportunity for your doubts to be cleared. We'll try to bring you more such opportunities in future.
So we can just take 3 more seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just end the poll.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Amita ma'am.
Yeah.
Your voice is not
Hello,
clear.
everybody.
Yeah, now it is clear.
Hello, everybody. Is my voice audible?
Yes.
Rajesh sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, audible.
Fine.
Good.
So, Mr. Anshu, thank you very much. It was a fantastic session and very good information shared by you. All the participants and aspirant students have got a very good idea about Acadia University, about Nova Scotia, and about their positive prospects in this university. Now we would also come out with some question answers. For that, let us just tell the participants about our next this thing where we are connected with Acadia University directly, and students can definitely coordinate with us, and we will help them to go ahead with their applications and with their applications, visa, everything from our end. As we already know that Mr. Anshul has already told Acadia University, which is the one of the top most undergraduate universities in Nova Scotia, and fifth number at all over Canada, right? So it is offering many degrees and all, which we already saw. Now, as we see, these are our services. We give you all free counseling. We'll be taking you your application, your profile assessment, your applications, your admission requirements. We will also be getting you the offer letters based on certain training requirements. We also give you trainings, which I'm coming next slide. IELTS training IELTS will be required, and we give you the IELTS training software at a very reasonable price with a launch price offer. And there will be financial. I'll be personally conducting the mock interview for you, which you may have to come across through the university or college. and then there will be fee remittance, everything. So onshore assistance till you reach. So we call it entry to enrollment. I repeat, entry to enroll, to enter in our office or in through us via the Zoom meetings till your enrollment in the university. We give you all complete package of services, correct? Now, we also help you with the education or other funds resources which you have to raise and you have to show funds. So we'll be guiding you completely for in this area. We are mainly into SBI education loan. We will be giving all these services right from the direct higher authorities of the bank, and we can get your loan sanctioned provided your documentation is clear and proper. Also, we are dealing with the other bank loans and everything. So rest assured, your funds part will be well taken care by us. And also there is IELTS training software, which is, we have introduced AMSA Total. AMSA Total, as you can see on the screen, which is all features. So it is having complete learning software, which is introduced by us, and test, mock test, grammatical components, the live videos, almost 250 plus live videos are there. There are daily tips available. The special by the ex-British Council evaluator. So you will have a very good, learning experience, and you can get your bands in the first attempt. We don't look at the students or train the students where they have to appear for getting the bands and they have to appear for the test again and again. No, we train them in that they get their proper requirements in the first attempt through this software. Also, these are all the features of our IELTS. So what is actual IELTS and what is AMSA Total? So AMSA Total is actual our software, and you can learn it from anytime, anywhere, 24/7 at your comfort levels. And it works completely at your convenience. The launch price of this AMSA Total, because if you are getting, as Mr. Anshul said, that if you are getting 70% marks in state board, then I think your IELTS will be waived off, correct, Mr. Anshul?
Yeah, it is correct.
Yeah, and for CBSE and IEC level, if you have 60-65% of your total aggregate marks or in English marks, then it can be waived off, right? Or maybe 75%, 70 to 75% marks in English, your IELTS can be waived off. But other than that, you may have to appear for IELTS test, and we will train you with this IELTS software, which is a training software with all the tests and all the mock test, everything. Evaluation will be done by us, rest assured, and we will guide you how you are doing well in your IELTS training. So we are coming with this launch price where originally it is 7,500 without the live sessions. I repeat, without the live sessions, the price is 7,500, where all the mock test, sectional test, everything is included. But now it is offered at 4,000. Similarly, with the live sessions, as I told you, there are 250 plus live sessions in our software, and the faculty will be, one of the faculties is ex-British Council evaluator as well. So the original price was 9,000. We are giving it at 6,000. So you can contact our team, as contact details are mentioned in the chat box, and you can definitely get back to us. We will help you with everything. So you can see there are certain proud achievers where we have got the PT, we have got IELTS. We also give you PT training. I just missed mentioning that. So we have many students who have scored 90 out of 90. There are some students, one student who has scored 90 out of 90 who has been trained by our institute, and many students who have scored 80 plus, as you can see in the image. And there are IELTS also through our training. There are students who have scored 8.5, which is a maximum band. And we can take the privilege of having these students trained from our institute. There are many students who have scored 8 plus bands and 7.5 bands, as you can see. So you can definitely take this privilege and facility from us. So in nutshell, our services are these: the main educational counseling, then the full process, including with training, and the funds part or the loan part. So these are all our contact details, which I'll keep on the screen for a while. And meanwhile, at the same time, we thank all the students. And I also request Mr. Rajesh Mehta to take over the question answer session, please.
Yes, sure. I think so. Time is running out. No problem. 10-15 minutes here and there. Mr. Anshul,
Yeah.
Now there is one student by the name Zishan.
Yeah, please.
Zishan, I think so. Are you there? Yes, he is there. He has some confusion regarding admission requirements. How are the backlogs counted and what are the CGPA requirements? I will unmute him so that he can ask it directly.
So the minimum requirement that I told in my session, minimum requirement is 60% in case of CBSE or ICSE. And a student who is from a state background, he must be having 70% marks.
Yeah, Zishan, I am unable to unmute you. You can unmute yourself.
Mr. Anshul, I think his question is regarding postgraduate diploma or graduate diploma, or maybe for masters.
Yeah, we are not offering. We are offering only UG programs for PG. We are not offering any PG program.
Okay, so for those participants, including Akshata, if Akshata is there or not, because she had a question. So Akshata, Jishan, you all can contact us for your PG programs if you are interested for PG and Masters program. We will be definitely giving you many options. Currently, Acadia is giving us the programs, the best programs for UG programs. So 12th standard students, you can recommend your friends and relatives who are into 12th standard and then they are looking forward to go to Canada. We can offer them Acadia University, which will be at the best of their wise decision. Okay. So others, for all others, we are there, and our team is there who will be assisting them with their profile assessment and with their queries and anxieties. So next question, please.
Yeah, next question is from Mayur Donwalkar. Mayur, yeah, I have unmuted you, Mayur. Actually, his question is long. Myself, Mayur Donwalkar, I am currently working as an automation engineer. I have given my IELTS test in 2019 with a score of 6.5 and was planning to pursue masters in computer science. Again, I think so. Can you help?
So Mayur ko bol do ki we can give them.
For master's programs, I request this student to contact AM Study Abroad for master's program.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Then Duolingo. You kindly explained about PG Masters program in Acadia universities. Duolingo is accepted, Mr. Anshul?
Yeah, Duolingo is accepted, but Duolingo is accepted for the condition of a letter, right? And
not for visa.
Yeah, not for visa. For visa, a student has to produce IELTS certificate.
Okay.
Okay.
And one question from Aditya Sawant.
Yeah.
What is the cutoff of GRE and TOEFL, sir?
I told for GRE we do not accept. TOEFL we accept, that is 90.
So GRE is required for master's program, and that will be the requirement at USA, not in Canada. Who has asked this question, Mr. Rajesh?
Aditya Sawant.
Aditya, please note the GRE will be required at USA levels for your master's program and not at Canada anyhow. And also Acadia is currently into undergraduate programs, so we can guide you further for other universities in US, UK or anywhere, even in Canada, any part of the country, we can globe, we can guide you further for your GRE if required or not. And TOEFL is another test, which is English proficiency test, and that will be required anywhere in the globe for your admissions, except some countries, right? So TOEFL is part of English proficiency test, which will be definitely accepted by Acadia University for their undergraduate programs. Okay, next.
Okay, next question. I wanted your name. It is in the name of 1+2. I know your mobile. You can just let us know your name. What are the finance and commerce courses available in Acadia?
For finance and commerce, we have very good course. We are offering BBA degree. We are offering degree in the Bachelor of Economics. So these are the two popular disciplines where we are offering courses. In BBA, we have the specialization like marketing, in financial accounting, in international relation. In economics, we have Bachelor of Arts in Economics, I told, and BSc in Economics with business, science, and computer specialization field. So for commerce-related subjects, I prefer a student to apply in these two disciplines with the application fee of 40 Canadian.
1+2, I have unmuted you also. So if you want to ask anything, you can ask.
No, that's fine. Thank you. Got it.
Okay, good, good. Then Ravina wanted to know about South Korea. So Ravina, I have told you to contact again, and as you have also given me your contact number, so Amita ma'am or our team will get in touch with you regarding South Korea. Okay, I think so. This is these are the questions which are there. If you have anything in your chat box, Mr. Anshul, just check it out. By mistake, the students must have addressed you.
Just a minute, I'm going to say.
Or Amita ma'am, just check in your
I
chat
have
box.
already taken care of these questions, and I think they are, I think Ravina especially, Akshata is not there on this thing. So Akshata also wanted to know whether it is UG program or PG programs available, but it's okay.
Okay.
So we can end the session, Mr. Rajesh. I think Mr. Anshul is getting late. He has another, and Mr. Anshul, you can tell the viewers about our AIM study abroad, how you are associated and how was your experience with us. And we will also try our best to, give them the best guidance for Acadia University.
Yeah, in the end of the session, I will like to say thank you to AIM Study Abroad and all the team members. In fact, I will tell all the students to be in touch with the team, and AIM Study Abroad is working with us, and we have very good association, and hope to see good number of applications from AIM Study Abroad team.
Okay, so sir. Mr. Anshul, thank you very much. Rajesh sir, you can please go ahead and thank all the people, and thank you every participant.
Yes, thank you all the participants. Thank you for joining, and we'll be messaging you or by way of mail or message. Please do join for the next webinars. This is for your own more knowledge, information about other countries, so that you can decide. And this is the best time to get acquainted to other countries, other courses, and other universities. We'll try to bring you the university representatives directly. So be in touch. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. We'll end the session. Thank you again.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Anshul.